Woodruff fakes, he's around the left end, cuts it up, he's at the 40, and he's forced out of bounds. Woodruff throws long, he's got Jeremy Griffin, he's inside the 10, he's in for the score. No flags on the play. Woodruff over the middle. Woodruff throws long. He's got Chris Irvin down the sideline. Touchdown Bulldogs, Chris Irvin. On the right end, inside the 40. Oh. There you go! The pass to Irvin is on the money. He's in the end zone. Touchdown Bulldogs, Woodruff to Irvin.
Come on, Dollar. Come on, 14. Come on, Dollar. Hey, walk the house like they do it. Hey. Let's go. Walk the house like they do it. The guy penis.
The pass is complete to Griffin down the sideline, and he is wrestled out of bounds. Brought down from behind. Touchdown. Woodruff dumps it off to Irvin. Woodruff into the end zone. Woodruff into the end zone. It's caught. Dedrick Bailey. Woodruff finds James Thomas. Thomas is in for the score. Woodruff to blocks him around the right side. He's got a block. He turns it upfield and he has daylight. And he slips down. And third down and 15. Blocks him. Upfield. Woodruff breaks up the middle.